Hello, welcome to Easy English at Home YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to use say and tell. Today's lesson is on two commonly confused verbs, say and tell. Let's start the lesson by looking at the mistakes and see how we can correct them. He said me hello. This is wrong. We never say this. He said me hello. You should say, he said hello to me. Yes, he said hello to me. And another one, he told yes. This is another mistake. You should say, he said yes. He said yes. And another one, he said me call you. That's another wrong use here, right? He told me to call you. He told me to call you. And the last one, he said me a story. You don't say a story, you tell a story, right? He told me a story. He told me, right? Now, let's go further in details with these two verbs. Let's start with the meaning. Say. Say means to express something with words. And the past form of this verb is said. It's irregular, okay? We can use say in two different ways. You can say something, as in the example here. I said my name. What? My name. I said my name, so I said something. I said sorry. And Janet said that she was sorry. So here we have an indirect speech. The second use, say something to somebody. You say something to someone, to somebody. I said sorry to Janet. So don't forget this. I said sorry to Janet. And the next one, I said good morning to my classmates. I said good morning to my classmates. Now, it's time to look at the verb tell. It means to give information to someone. To give information to a person. And the past form of tell is told. And this one is also irregular, right? We can use it in three different ways. The first one, tell somebody. So you need a pronoun here. Tell me. Or you can tell him, right? There's a person following right after the verb. The second one, tell someone, somebody, a person, something. For example, he told Max a funny joke, right? Or he told us what to do. He told John that he was sorry. So all these examples are telling someone something. The third one, tell somebody to do something. Tell someone to do something. For example, he told me to listen carefully. He told me to listen carefully. So keep in mind that after tell, there is a person. Tell me, tell him, tell John, right? And you tell somebody. As for the verb say, you say something to somebody. Say something. Are you ready to practice? We have 10 sentences here and you need to choose the correct verb for each one. Let's do it together. Number 1, can you say or tell your name again? So here, your name. What? Your name. There is something. You should pick. Can you say your name? Because you say something. Remember? Can you say your name again? Good. Number 2, can you say or tell me your name again? So here we have a pronoun, someone. Yes? So, which one is correct? Can you tell me? Can you tell me your name again? Number 3, could you say or tell Jane that I called? So there is a person again, you see? Could you tell Jane that I called? Tell someone something. Could you say or tell Jane to call me. Which one? Could you, of course, tell Jane to call me? Tell somebody to do something. Remember? Tell somebody to do something. Number 5. What did the police say or tell? What did the police say? Yes. What did the police say? Number 6. What did you say or tell the police? So there is a person again. We should pick what did you tell the police? Yes. And number 7. Say or tell hi to Martin for me. So here, which one? Say something. Yes. Say hi to Martin for me. Very good. Number 8. Say or tell Martin I said hi. So which one? Tell Martin that I said hi. Tell. Okay, tell somebody. Tell Martin. Number 9. Let me tell or say you what happened. So there is a person again. Let me tell you what happened. And the last one. Let me say or tell hi to my friends over there. Which one? Let me say hi. Say something. Let me say hi to my friends over there. I hope this was easy for you guys. Are you ready to practice more? Let's learn some fixed phrases that either go with say or tell. Let's start with say. You can say hello. You can say hello. You can say goodbye. You can say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night. They all go with say. Number 2, you can say something is false or true. So you say it's true or you say it's false. Say true or false. Number 3, you can say a little or you can say a lot. So you can say, my friend said a lot. Number 4, you can say something, yeah? Or you can say, he didn't say anything. Or he said nothing would be a good example. Number 5, you can say sorry, yes. You can say thanks, you can say please. And the last expression with say, you can say yes or no. Very easy. You can say yes or no. Now, let's have a look at the expressions with tell. Tell someone a story. You can tell someone a joke, right? So you can say, he told me a good joke or a good story. Or you can tell someone a lie. Tell someone a lie. So let's say, she never told me a lie. She never told me a lie. Tell a lie is the fixed expression here. Number 3, tell someone the truth. You should always tell me the truth, right? Tell the truth. Number 4, tell the future. Can you tell the future? Can you tell the future? And the last one, and it's very commonly used, tell the time. Can you tell me the time? It's another way of asking what time it is, right? So, can you tell me the time? You don't say the time, you tell the time, everyone. Great. It's time to practice more. Look at the pictures and answer my questions. Picture 1, what's Granny doing? She's telling a story. She's telling the kids a story. Picture 2, what did she say? She said it was okay. She said okay. Picture 3, what can she do? Can she tell the future? Yes, she can tell the future. Picture 4. How many people were positive? What did they say? They said yes. Picture 5. Why is she laughing? Her friend has just told her a joke. Picture 6. What is he doing? He is saying hi. Let's have a look at today's keywords and phrases. We have learned the difference between say and tell. Say is used to express something with words. Yet, tell is used to give information to someone. Tell someone, you can tell me. Tell someone something, you can tell me a story. Tell someone to do something. I have told him to listen carefully. Say something. You can say no. Say something to someone. I cannot say no to him. The major difference in use between them is that there is a person or a personal pronoun right after tell. We also learned some fixed phrases with say and tell. You can say hello, say goodbye, good morning, good afternoon, good evening or good night. You can say it's true or false. You can say a lot or a little. You can say something, you don't say anything, or you say nothing. You say sorry, thanks, please, yes or no. You can tell a story, you can tell a joke. You can tell someone a lie, and you can tell someone the truth. Tell the future and tell the time. Thank you for watching. You can find the practice files for this lesson on the link in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!